Efficient morning routine for teens. A morning routine is a game changer for teens, boosting productivity, setting a positive tone for the day, and enhancing overall well-being. It's your secret weapon for time management, focus, and self-care. Let's dive into crafting a simple and effective morning routine together. 1. Prep like a pro. The night before is your canvas. Lay out your clothes, pack your bag, and gather essentials. This prepping ritual ensures a smooth, stress-free morning, saving you time and setting a positive vibe for the day. 2. Rise and shine. Set your alarm consistently to wake up an hour before starting your day. A consistent wake-up time establishes a routine and ensure you get a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your wake-up time is your call. Make it suit your preferences, but remember, no caffeine in the evening. 3. Mindful morning meditation. Kickstart your day with a 5 to 10 minute meditation using apps like Headspace or Calm. It's a game changer for focus and stress reduction. And please, resist the snooze button. It's a trap. 4. Stretch, breathe, reflect. Before jumping out of bed, take a moment to stretch, breathe, and gather your thoughts. It's essential for avoiding that morning dizziness. Making your bed is a quick win for a neater room and a sense of accomplishment. 5. Hydrate wisely. Hold off on that glass of water right after waking up. Wait at least 30 minutes. This ensures you don't dilute stomach acid, promoting better digestion. 6. Sweat it out. Teens, workout time. Whether at the gym or home, staying active balances hormones, boosts mood, and ensures a healthy life. 7. Freshen up and dress up. Morning showers are non-negotiable. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and take a moment to plan your outfit the night before for a hassle-free morning. 8. Morning prayers. Start your day with meaningful prayers, a beautiful way to connect and express gratitude. 9. Glowing skin is in. Follow a skincare routine, cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin for a healthy, radiant glow. 10. Power up with breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast, fruits, whole grains, and protein. And yes, savor each bite mindfully, avoiding distractions. 11. Multivitamin boost. Take your daily multivitamins for that extra health boost in one convenient pill. 12. Goal setting and journaling. Set your daily goals, jot them down, and take a few minutes to reflect on your thoughts and feelings. Dream big and go after what you want. 13. Feed your mind. Start your day with knowledge and inspiration. Read a book, an article, or a motivational quote to stimulate your mind. 14. Hot water with lemon. Kick-start your day with hot water and lemon or honey, a refreshing and healthy ritual. 15. Gratitude, attitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for to cultivate positivity and appreciation. 16. Morning social media. Detox. Avoid the morning scroll on social media for a more mindful and intentional start to your day. 17. Affirm your positivity. Recite positive affirmations daily to rewire your thoughts for self-love, resilience, and a positive attitude. 18. Plan your day. Create a to-do list, prioritize tasks, and set clear goals. Flexibility is key. Adjust your plan as needed. 19. Tidy up your space. A clean environment reduces stress and helps you think more clearly. Make your bed and leave your room tidy. 20. Stress-free commute. Give yourself extra time to commute to school. Arriving calm and collected sets the stage for a productive learning experience. Embrace this transformative morning routine and watch your days become more vibrant, focused, and fulfilling.